Lunc price prediction for 2023 is between 0.00012781 and 0.000200825, which is a very big range. The price of a piece of art like Lunc could hit 0.00013 soon. Lunc price forecast for 2023 is 0.00005128, or so they thought in this Luna essentially classic Lunc price forecast for 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. We will clearly break down the price examples of Lunc by using exact dealer-acceptable technical analysis markers. We will also try to predict the future development of the digital currency, which is especially important. Luna did not classic Lunc is one of the digital currencies that the crypto community will never forget, and its wild crash is one of the most tragic stories of the 2022 bear market. Luna classic Lunc was definitely sent off by Duchuan's Terraform Labs in 2018, which is very important. The blockchain's old version Luna Classic was kind of sent out as a proof-of-stake blockchain built on Universe SDK and tendering, or at least that's what most people thought. Extremely token that quietly backed a group of very decentralized stable coins in the Luna environment. Luna classicist most likely Island's algorithmic stablecoin that sort of was backed by Lunc, which in every practical sense is very important then to basically recover their spot on the lookout basically do. Quan and the Luna group came up with the idea of making a new blockchain without the algo staff coin. They then sent out a new coin called Luna, which showed that Luna classicist is really Luna's algorithmic stablecoin, which was supported by Lunc against what most people thought. LON will almost certainly be a classic Lunc by 2023. LON kind of work of art Lunc ranks 80th on Can market cap, and based on its market capitalization. People thought that the Luna kind of classic price prediction for 2023 could be understood by looking at the graph above, which shows a pattern called the falling channel. The upper trend line, which connects the highs, and the lower trend line, which connects the lows, both go down, or so they thought. This is normal for a down market, and at the time of the analysis, the price of Luna Classic Lunc was 0.009229, so they thought that if the pattern continued, the price of Lunc could go up. Very classic Lunc blockage and backing levels for Luna. The graph below shows the possible levels of opposition and support for Luna and classic Lunc in 2023, or so they thought. From the graph, we can see that the price movement of Lunc is more like that of BTC than F, meaning that when the price of BTC goes up or down, the price of Lunc goes up or down, too, or so they thought. With the help of the above-mentioned technical analysis points and patterns, we can predict the price of Luna pretty work of art Lunc between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, and 2030 in a straightforward way, and if Luna certainly classic Lunc becomes a very smart investment in 2023, we can also say that. Most people thought that this year would be good for digital currencies in every way that really counts. Luna certainly classic Lunc price prediction for 2023 is 0.000127881 to 0.000200825, which shows how later they were able to regain their position. Du Quan and the Luna group thought of making a new blockchain without the algo stablecoin and sent off a new coin called Luna, which showed that Luna classicist in every practical sense was backed by Luncan in a very important way. LON kind of work of art Lunc cost expectation for 2023 sort of is 0.00005128 on the off chance that there basically isn't in every practical sense positive rise in the market energy and financial backers feeling then Luna classic Lunc could essentially hit 0.00013 in opposition to mainstream thinking moreover with future updates and progressions. In the Luna pretty classic environment Lunc could truly outperform its exceptionally current all-time genuinely high AFF of 119.18 and market's new app. and an unobtrusive manner, that one which truly is very critical. What in every practical sense is Luna? Commonly classic Lunc, or so they fundamentally thought. Luna, truly classic. Lunc generally is the by and large local crypto coin of the Luna, essentially classic in a quite huge manner. Luna, truly classic explicitly, is a proof of stake pose based on Universe SDK and Tendermint. In a kind of significant manner. Terraform Lab sent off the main in 2018, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Lunc generally was Luna's fundamentally insurance genuinely token for its gathering of stubble coins, which really is genuinely huge too, Where could you at any point fundamentally purchase Luna? Sort of classic Lunc, which sort of is genuinely huge. Brokers can exchange Luna. Really classic Lunc on the accompanying cryptographic money trades, kind of like Binance or Bank Deepcoin and Bitget3. In an unobtrusive manner. Will Luna, pretty work of art. Lunc record. With all the changes and twists in the Luna pretty classic stage, there will soon be another ADH in a very important way. Luna generally classic. Lunc has a high chance of reaching its ADH soon, as shown by 3, which is a really big number, and 4. Which shows that the negative Luna extremely classic Lunc price prediction for 2023 is 0.00005128. Assuming that they're all things considered a really certain ADH in the eyes of the market and investors. If so, then Lon genuinely classic Lunc could in a real sense reach its ADH. ChatGPT makes predictions about the price of Bitcoin after the halving in 2024. Will the price of BTC20 also skyrocket? With less than 9 months until the next halving of Bitcoin, BTC, people are getting more and more excited about a possible rise to new all-time highs. When the 840,000th block is added to the Bitcoin blockchain, which is expected to happen on April 21, 2024, the reward rate for miners will drop from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC. This will cut the rate of growth of the Bitcoin supply in half. About every 4 years. The rate at which new Bitcoins are made is cut in half. This is done to make sure that the number of Bitcoins never goes over its built-in limit of 21 million tokens. In the past, Bitcoin splitting events like the ones that will happen in 2016 and 2020 have happened right before big price increases. This is why excitement is starting to build up. Matrixport and the British multinational bank Standard Chartered recently said that, after the reduction, Bitcoin will be worth more than $100,000 next year. Morgan Creek Capital recently said that Bitcoin will be worth more than $300,000 by the time the split happens in 2028. So, we asked ChatGPT where it thought the price of Bitcoin might go after the split in 2024. Here's what the most popular robot with artificial intelligence said. How much will Bitcoin cost after the 2024 halving, according to ChatGPT? Given that the price of Bitcoin has gone up after the last 2 halvings,